In this video, we are going to see what is Nudge in Zerodha, its future vision, what are the achievements that it did currently, how it could save you in the future, what's actually the vision of Nudge, and a live demo of how not to ignore the Nudge. So if you see, recently Zerodha celebrated its 10th anniversary, that is on August 15 they have celebrated its 10th anniversary. Now they are actually building more features on the Nudge. Let's try to understand what actually is Nudges. If you are new to Zerodha, you should not ignore this feature and try to understand whenever Nudge wants you. That is it's going to save you from big dangers in share market. So if you see, Nudge is nothing but it helps to avoid risky illiquid stocks. If you see, there are around 5,000 stocks in share market. As a beginner, you don't know which stock to buy. You might end up in buying the wrong stock because of the if the stock price is very less, you think you can buy huge quantity. Even if it moves a small amount, you can get make more money. That is wrong. So here is what Nudge is going to help you. So let us see what is. So illiquid stock is nothing but there are no sellers and buyers. It will be very rare. Sometimes there will be sellers, sometimes there will not be any buyers. So if you bought a stocks, you will not be able to immediately sell it. It's like only rarely you see someone going to buy your stock. Your money will get locked it. There are so many issues. So what happens is you will get some SMS from some fraud investors. What they does is they will simply send they will try to pump up the price of the stock, which is penny stocks, let us say, or small stocks, and you will get an SMS. You will see they will say price is going to increase, the target is this within a month. You will be seeing the price is little bit increases. We call it a pump and dump scams. Actually, they will send emails and SMS, ask you to, you will go and buy it. In the meantime, the price will immediately drop once you put the money for buying that stock. So it's complete scam. Don't be alert on every SMS and email that you get. Avoid penny stocks. So there is a separate video I made about pump and dump scams. I have given in the cards. Please see that. So watch Nudge work in this is whenever you try to buy a stocks like this, which I told the illiquid stocks, which we call it as. So you will get some alerts like this. Let us say, so here we have a stock called K Serasera. I will show it to you. So if you see, so at the bottom here we call a stock called K Serasera. It's, you see the price 0.25. This is basically a penny stocks. When I try to buy it, you can see here. You see this K Serasera is an illiquid security. If this comes, then there is an issue. This is Nudge, which is intraday trades are not allowed. It's giving us some few recommendations for not to, why we should not invest in stocks. It gives some more information on this. So whenever you get this kind of stock, then it is very difficult. You should not go and trade in this text. So it also tells that intraday and BTST trades are not allowed because it's an illiquid security. So don't ignore this warning whenever you get this kind of information, because it is very danger. So that is the reason actually. Because of Nudge, the volume of this illiquid security transaction has dropped to 50%, saving tens of crores of customers' money from falling into illiquid securities. So you should also be very careful if you are new to the market. So let us also see the future roadmap for Nudge. So if you see, they are actually going to incorporate the safety and discipline, which means we won't be able to keep the stop loss, and sometimes we will try to have a naked position without hedging. So because of this, we will end up in great losses. So in this, whenever you ignore the loss, that thinking the stock will bounce back and we will be in profit, so Nudge will come here and it will tell you, if you ignore this, this is the loss that will be at the end of this particular day and what you need to do. So we'll have this kind of warning and how to protect if you are in losses, I think. So they are working on this Zerodha. Let us see how they are going to come up with it. So share your thoughts about Nudge. If you have already seen using Zerodha, how Nudge has helped you, what do you think about it? Let me know of also any suggestions that you think. So thank you, bye bye. If you want to open a DMAT account, I've given the link in the description of this video. You can use the link and open an account and get all the free training courses that are featured in our website. So we have some 6 courses. You can get those things. You can visit the website. We have some monthly income strategy courses, option strategies. We have 20 plus option strategies. So you can get everything, and you can WhatsApp this number and get everything. So thank you, bye bye.